Then in Excel, one more feature is there, okay, that is spark line. Okay, spark lines are smaller charts. Okay, this is like just to show smaller trends. Okay, so if how do you get the spark lines? See, this is your spark lines. When you go to the chart, okay, these are called as spark lines. Okay, so a spark line can be in the form of line, column, or win loss. So I am not covering win loss here. Okay, I am covering only the line, and I am leaving up to you to cover these two, column and the win loss. Okay, so what is this line? It will show a trend. Okay, so if you select this entire thing, okay, insert, okay, spark line, okay, okay, just we have to select this thing. So see this, we have selected this data and we have got a spark line like this. So you have in this cell, okay, you can see that you can get a trend. Okay, so even if this data is hidden for you, even if this data is hidden for you, okay, you can just get an idea. Okay, January sales have gone down, up, February up, down, like this. Right, so these spark lines, if you can add it to your data, it will look very, very attractive. Okay, right. Again, you can design, you can change it. Okay, so you have these options. You can make it column also. So column will give you the values. You can give a win loss. Win loss here it is not. Win loss will work when you have plus minus numbers. So but line column you can get, and then you can have like various ways you can change, and marker color, high negative points, what is the color, high point, low point. Just I would say this is a new fancy thing that is come. Okay, you should explore this.